Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another stunning Engel Völkers listing. And today I'm going to show you around a truly beautiful frontline golf villa. I'm standing on a plot of 1,135 square meters with a property behind me of 910 square meters with its own huge gym and so much more. 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. Are you ready? Come on, let's go and have a look. The property has a salted, heated infinity pool looking right across the golf course. It also has a kitchen and barbecue outdoor, as well as a shower room. So we're at the View, and wait till you see why it's called the View. Look at this door. All that parking, 2-car garage. I'm so excited. It's also extremely important to point out that the property is in a gated community with 24-hour security and CCTV. So you've seen the kitchen, you've got a wonderful breakfast area. You've got these pocket doors, the kitchen could be closed off and have this wonderful space to sit and enjoy the views in the morning from your breakfast table. You've got the big open plan living dining area and a fantastic size guest bedroom with a huge ensuite. Now it's time to go and have a look upstairs. Recently, there's been a large investment in new solar panels, allowing the property to generate economic electricity and storage. So we're on the first floor, and the distribution's pretty cool. You've got an office over there, 2 bedrooms on the sides, and a mega master suite. Wait till you have a look around here. Come with me. Wow, wow, wow. What a fantastic master bedroom. And look at this fireplace doubles up into the master bathroom. And then you've got this huge walk-in wardrobe and this fantastic bedroom. And the view's just to die for. So here we are on the lower ground floor. And to the right of me is this huge gym. And to the left here is 2 very, very big bedrooms with their own ensuites, both with access directly to the swimming pool. Right over there, you've got a fantastic children's play area, and over there, you've got direct access to the big double-car garage. Sadly, we're coming to the end of this property tour, but before I go, I must mention the location. So we're located in Alquería, which is literally around the corner from Benahavís town. The gorgeous Benahavís town with its restaurants and bars, 2 minutes away from the closest supermarket, and only 2 minutes away from a fantastic international school, and 10 minutes from the beach. Unfortunately, now I have to say goodbye. But if you want to come and have a look at this wonderful house, click on the link below. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got loads of stunning listings to show you around. I can't wait to see you here in Marbella. Take care now.